And this year we saw also a lot of announcements from Apple, talking about HomeKit, for Google with Worklist Nest. What are your thoughts about all these newcomers to the home automation world?
I think it's great for the industry. It's generating a lot of excitement. It's bringing a lot of money into the marketplace. It's definitely increasing consumer awareness. We think it's fantastic. We see that doing nothing for Z-Wave but providing additional growth.
So you don't see them as possible competitors in the future?
They will potentially take some business away from Z-Wave. Maybe a Nest thermostat gets bought versus a Z-Wave thermostat, but the entire market, what they're doing to expand the entire market is far, far outweighing what they're doing in terms of eroding it. So even if our market share diminishes some, on a percentage basis, the total size of the market is increasing so rapidly that we're growing faster than we can almost stand. So that's good. And then there's another thing in that, if you take a look at Nest, and you take a look at Wemo, and you take a look at Philips Hue, and those are really consumer electronics, I call them shiny objects kind of solutions. They do one thing, they do it in a kind of a flashy, fun sort of a way. I think they have staying power of a couple of years. And then, to be honest with you, and I may eat my words here, I would be very surprised if Belkin is selling Wemo a year from now. We've been at it 2.5 years. Companies like Belkin typically change technologies every 3 or 4 years. They go to the latest and greatest and new, most exciting consumer electronics thing. And that's kind of how I see the Nests and the Hues and the Wemos and stuff like that. Our business is a little different. If you take a look at our partners, they're not necessarily consumer electronics companies. They're product companies. They're companies like Danfoss, like Honeywell, like Leviton. They're old line, hardcore product manufacturers. And these are things that I buy, also Obloy, and I put in my house, and they're going to be in my house 20, 30, 40, 50 years. They're products. They're durable goods. They're not consumer electronic gadgets. Sure, there's going to be overlap, but for now, I think it does nothing but positive.